to the second part of our AsterSpring Face Gym series, where today we'll be tackling the question of why do I still have a double chin even though I've already lost weight? So, hi everyone, my name is Elaine, and today I'll be taking you through some steps on how we can tackle that double chin using Face Gym.
Face Gym is a method of using facial massage techniques to work together and complement the benefits of your skincare products. It helps to complete the daily skincare routine by targeting the muscles while the skincare products enhance the skin from the outside. Our faces have more than 40 muscles which give us the ability to move around and show our expressions. They also help to lift up our skin and give us that youthful bounce and firmness. Through Face Gym, we can help to rejuvenate our skin with the facial massage techniques, and this also helps with the absorption of products. This will oxygenate our skin and help to maintain that youthful appearance. Also enhances your whole skincare routine by toning up the muscles for that overall glow.
Some of us might be born with a naturally slim figure, but we still notice that double chin when we look in the mirror. So why does this happen? The reason is that weight is not the only thing that contributes to our double chin. The truth is, other things like bad posture or aging skin might also be causing us to have the double chin. Let me go through this one by one. So first one, poor posture. How do we tackle it? The best thing to do will be to strengthen our neck area. Our neck plays a really big role in supporting our head movements and of course our muscles as well. This is why we need to keep it fit and strong to help with that double chin area. Many times we forget our neck when we're trying to regain the youthfulness in our skin. But our neck is actually one of the biggest giveaways of our actual age. The next one is aging skin. So when our skin is aging, we're experiencing the loss in collagen and elastin, which affects the firmness of our skin. We can't stop the passing of time and the aging process, but we can certainly do something to slow it down. I want to tell you something that we all have probably experienced, but we never really paid much attention to. Along with poor posture, we are all in danger of experiencing tech neck. This is when our neck area and upper back become strained from those long hours hunching over our phones and laptops. In the age of technological advancement, and also now that we're spending so much time at home and basically living our lives through our computer screen, it has become increasingly common. The weight which our neck supports increases the lower we tilt our head. So this weakens the muscles and increases the strain. If you're constantly tilting your head down, that double chin is more likely to appear as well. Alright, so let's get straight into the moves. First one will be to stretch out our neck area. We're going to be rotating our head clockwise for 30 seconds and then anti-clockwise for another 30 seconds. Alright, if we're all ready, let's go! Five more seconds. Right. And the other direction, another 30 seconds. Remember not to do it too fast. Just slowly rotate and stretch that neck. Five more seconds. And we're done. Okay, now for the second move, and it's to sharpen up our jawline area. So basically we're going to be alternating both hands and massaging from the bottom of our chin upwards to our ear. So I'm going to be putting some serum onto my jawline area, and we're going to start with the exercises. Alright, so we're going to be doing 1 minute on each side. Let's get started! massaging upwards from the middle of my chin towards the bottom of my ear. We have about half a minute left. And we're done! Alright, so we're gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. 1 minute timer again. And go! Massaging from the middle of my chin outwards. Thirty more seconds. And we're done! Okay, so now for the third move, and this is to smoothen out that double chin area. We're going to be using a knuckling method, so we need the fingers to be like this, and then we'll just move it in. So I'm going from the top of my chin to the inside, and then just massaging outwards like this. So we'll move inwards and then outwards, alternating. Okay, we'll do this for 1 minute. Let's have the timer up. And ready, go! Let's keep doing this for 1 minute. We have about half a minute left. And we're done! Okay, so the fourth move will be to pinch your jawline to perfection. So we're pinching upwards and massaging upwards like this. Okay, so I'm going to put on some more serum first, and then we can do the exercise. Okay, so we're ready? 1 minute timer. Let's start. I'm putting firm pressure upwards and then just moving it back down, then firm pressure again. On this side so you can see. We have about half a minute left. 5 more seconds. And we're done. Yay! Alright, so the last move or last group of moves that I have for you are the neck tilt. So we'll be turning our head slowly from left to right, and then second part we're going to be going up and down, and then for the last part we're going to be going from side to side like this. So this will really stretch out the different parts of your neck. So we'll be doing 30 seconds for each move. So can I have the timer up? 30 seconds, and if we're ready, let's start. So up and down first. You can really feel the stretch at the front and the back of the neck. Five more seconds. Okay, so we're done for this one. Next one, left to right. 30 seconds and go. Use your hands to guide it as well. Done. 5 more seconds. And we're done. So the last move, to tilt it from side to side. Alright, another 30 seconds and let's go. So you really feel the stretch along the side of your neck. Do this slowly, take your time. We're nearly finished. And we're done! Thank you so much for joining us today in the second part of our Face Gym series where we've gone through all the moves to target your double chin area. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, and of course right here on the YouTube channel. Remember to hit the like button for this video and click the notification bell as well so that you'll be notified the next time we upload a video. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed today's Face Gym and I'll see you next time. Bye!